Hey guys! Want to remove or delete a playlist from YouTube? Don't worry, I know a few ways. Just be with me till the end. First of all, go on and open YouTube. After you have opened it, you will be welcomed to the main page of YouTube. Here, click on Profile icon. After this is done, scroll down and find the playlist you want to delete. Now click on the three dots on the top right of the playlist and click on Delete. Another way to delete a playlist is by clicking on the playlist to open it. Now you will see three vertically aligned dots on the top right of the screen. Click on them and then click on Delete Playlist. Now if you want to delete one video from a playlist, you can open the playlist and then click on the three dots on the top right of the video. Now click on Remove Video. And yeah, that's all. Hope the video helped you out. If it did, then don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel for more content like this.